Guys, welcome to Elite Minds, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to mint the Martian NFT. Okay, and I believe some of you, my viewers, got the Aptos airdrop. Okay, I think that will help you guys in your crypto journey. Some persons got as high as $1,000, $2,000. Depends on how fast you were when the price was around $59 to $30 per Aptos token. All right, so if you continue following my video, you'll be lucky to get the next airdrop. All right, so for today's video, we'll be minting the Martian NFT, which is quite easy. So what you just have to do right here is to make sure you're on testnet, as you can see on my screen. Make sure you're on testnet right here. All right, so once you're on testnet, you request for test tokens also, which is this. You request for test tokens. All right, so you click on airdrop right there and you'll be given test token. As you can see, I have my test token. So how do you now mint the NFT? So you just simply have to click on this icon right here. You click on it and you see mint Martian NFT. I've done mine, as you can see. I've minted mine. So you just click on mint Martian NFT. Click on it. So once you click on it, you allow it to load. You connect. You click on connect wallet. Click on connect. And you click on mint right here. All right, so this is it. You click on approve, and once you approve, it will be successful. I've done that, so I'm not going to do that again. You just click on approve, and that is all. You successfully minted your Martian NFT. This could also be a possible airdrop. You never can tell. So take it serious, take action, and take action. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. All right.